Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Friends, welcome back to my channel. I have this Omron 3G3SV. It is 3G3SV-BB015. So it is 015 1.5 kilowatt. Let's disassemble it. And in upcoming videos we will continue to study it, how it works. When we open it, never touch any component, even it is disconnected from the line voltage. Maybe its capacitor bank is charged. Check voltage on capacitor, both terminals, no voltage. So now it is safe to touch. Now we will remove these screws here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Capacitor positive terminal is upside. Capacitors, PCB, base plate and heatsink. It receives input, bridge rectifier, soft starter circuit. Then these voltage are stored on DC rail. Then there is power supply module. It will generate power to power up the whole circuit. It is low voltage power supply. Control section, external controller, power input and UVW out. Controller, here is power module. So it will adjust the frequency and voltage as per our requirement. So we will discuss this circuit step by step in upcoming videos. How this circuit is configured, how we can take approach to detect different faults. And we will study how different faults are detected within this circuit. For example, overcurrent, motor overcurrent, motor overload, inverter overload, inverter overcurrent, external fault, different faults which are displayed on this display. We will see them, how it is getting their faults. Thanks for watching.